So Samantha, you were one of the first brand ambassadors to Bespoke. So tell us about your journey with them.
So basically, I had renovated a house. I'd made this lovely, I say media wall, but it wasn't so much a media wall at the time looking back on it. But it was just missing that something.
Yeah, it needs a
know
bit of a wow factor
yeah, well,
to it.
It didn't have it. So I thought I'd made it a wow factor, and then I was like, it's just still not giving me that. And then obviously through Instagram, I followed the guys. See a lot of obviously their stuff on there,
Yes.
And then I was like, yes, I need that.
That's the one for
yeah,
me.
That is what's going to be my wow factor. So obviously contacted the guys and ordered. What did I get? I got the panoramic 1500.
Yes, same as me. Same as me.
There
Yeah,
you
my
go.
first
Good
one.
choice.
Two good minds think alike.
So got that and literally haven't looked back since. It was literally the start of something really amazing.
Okay.
As in, it just completely transformed. Like,
Did it transform the lumen look
just,
and feel?
Yeah, completely. So it wasn't just like, we've stuck a fire in there, like it looks lovely. It was I want to sit here, I want to like relax, I want to chill.
Did you get that feeling yourself, did you, once it was installed?
Yeah, honestly, the upgrade was next level.
Wow, and did you install it yourself? Did you design your media wall yourself?
Yeah, so we watched a little inspiration video from you.
Okay.
Yeah,
was it a how-to video?
A little how-to.
Cheap little plug in there.
A little how-to, just to make sure I was getting it all right.
Yeah.
And then went from there, and then that's it. So,
Brilliant. But
yeah.
it didn't just end there, did it, in your living room? It moved up to the bedroom, apparently. So tell us about that.
So, firstly, when people say a fireplace in a bedroom, like you think old Victorian houses, like that's the only time you really get it. But basically, when we renovated, we got quite a large upstairs.
Yeah.
It was a case of either have more rooms with less, sod it, let's just go all out. Let's make the rooms nice and big. But again, we then had the issue of it's too big.
Okay.
So again, we made like, obviously a feature wall with the TV and everything else. And after the change downstairs, instantly I was like, it needs something.
It makes sense to put one there.
So the guys obviously contacted me and said, how would you feel? And I was like, that's what I've been dreaming of.
And that's when you become an ambassador then, was it?
Yeah, so they said to me, like, obviously, we would love you to become a bedroom ambassador. Would you be happy to? Obviously, having their products, I know how incredible they are.
Yeah.
So, yeah, obviously over the moon. And then I have the Lazio suite in mind.
Oh,
so,
very nice.
Yes,
Very
and I'm not gonna lie, obviously, because the panoramic fires are the same in both of them, aren't they?
Yeah, that's right.
You just got the upgrade of the marble, which
Of course.
I kind of wish I'd gone downstairs now. It was the thing is that they're all so beautiful, and it's like, how do you pick the right one?
It is hard.
It does obviously come down to size for the room. I just love them all, to be fair. I love them all, and the team. It's the team for me.
And the brilliant thing is, anyone who's thinking about getting one,
Yeah.
they've got dozens and dozens of displays, not only in their showroom in Highton, of course, but they can look online, can't they, find them?
You've got online, obviously, you've got people that are real like me, like just go and see them, like I purchased it. Sometimes people don't like to take things off Instagram because they think, oh, they've been given it, they're just promoting it.
Yep.
Not the case at all. Me personally would never do that, but also I purchased my first one and went on and would have gone on, obviously, purchased my second one for the bedroom, and I will purchase a lot more. I'm like, right, how many renovations
I think Samantha's going to have them in every room of the house. What about the bathroom, in the garage?
Why
not?
Why not? Have you seen the bar?
Why not?
Have you seen the bar?
Oh, I know, it's made me want to have a bar.
There we
Because
go.
I do have a bar in our house. It's only a pallet build bar, so be it.
But let's upgrade it with a fireplace.
It's screaming out for a fireplace now. It really, really is. The seed has been planted in my mind.
Yep.
But what I think is great and makes Bespoke stand out above many other companies is you could go online, pick 9 different types of stone, colours and shades. They'll send you a box out so you can actually touch, feel the quality, feel the weight of it, know exactly what you're buying before you buy into it, you know.
So I genuinely had my heart set visually on one type of stone, received the sample box, and I was like, that one's not for me, this one's for me here.
Oh really? Okay, yeah, wow.
But again, it's that touch, feel, sense, isn't it?
Yes,
and many companies don't give you that. Like you literally, you know, because obviously where the guys are based, I'm based in Kent, it's like, it's not a, I can just
It's
pop
not
up there
easy,
to
you
go
can
and
pop
see them.
through,
But you've got the brilliance of ordering online, the sample box, fantastic.
Perfect, great. So where can we find a bit more about you on social media?
you can find me on Instagram. It's Mary_Home and Life. It's a bit of a mismatch at the moment.
Okay.
So we've got home renovations because obviously, as everyone knows, you either wait ages for renovations and then suddenly you're like, oh, what can I do now? But yeah, so Mary_Home and Life. You'll find me on there, and it's just a bit of everything, just good fun, and obviously teams like this.
It's brilliant, isn't it? And how do you like being at trade shows? Is it the first one you've been to, or as an exhibitor on the stand?
No, I've done a couple myself actually, in past jobs. But in all honesty, and I've said it, I don't know how many times I've said it today, I have never seen a stand like this, and that's not because I'm working on the stand. The sheer size of it, the time,
thought,
the
the
effort,
plan, and the effort's gone into it is remarkable, isn't it?
These are literally, you could pick them up and go and put them in your house. They're not just a knock-up job. Like, these are absolutely spectacular. So it's blown me away, to be honest.
And it's a nice buzz as well, because we're talking to a lot of public around. It's catching their eyes, it's drawing them in. And then when you tell them that we are giving away the Lazio suite worth about £5,000 at the end of the show, I'd say to them, the 7th of May, make sure you get here. I mean, you can get free tickets from the code as well. That's in the description below, isn't it? But all we ask for is their name, their email address, contact details. We'll be drawing it out live, won't we, on the 7th of May? Live. And they will be winning a £5,000 suite. And not only do you get it for free, the team are going to come round and install it. Genius.
I mean, that's just money can't buy, can you?
Yep, brilliant. Yes,
but no, it's fantastic. Come down, come see us, come say hi, and just come and see like this marvellous. It is a marvellous
spectacular display, isn't it?
Really cheesy, actually, doesn't it? It sounds so cheesy.
It does.
But it genuinely is just like, we walked in here, I knew what I was expecting, and I still walked in and went, wow. Wow. And people that have come to the show today, so many I've spoke to. What are you coming here for? What are you looking? Well, I wasn't looking for a fire, but I am now.
And do you know who that happened to?
And that's because...
Only Kevin McLeod as well.
I know.
When he came over here this morning,
I see him.
he wasn't actually thinking about getting a fire, but I'll tell you a little secret. He's actually renovating his own house at the moment, so we might be down there with our tool belt and tools and be fitting one for him.
A nice little grand design.
Yeah, well, he just can't design. He just can't decide which style he wants.
I don't know.
So hopefully by the end of the week, he will.
It's a hard choice.